BS family, I'm kind of disappointed with you. Like, look, I got a brand new 2020 Nike Sakai right here. The white and silk colorway. Look at it. This is what I'm gonna give away. And all I asked for was to get me to 500 subscribers over a week ago. And y'all kept me hanging. But no, I trust y'all. Let's do this. Give this video 100 likes and share it literally right now. Let's go. Look, there's like a 4 of you who didn't like and a 5 of you who didn't share. All right. Yes, sir. That was just by the way. Welcome back to this channel, Billsuccess Vlogs fam. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to check them out. Yes, sir. In today's video, we finna check out the brand new sneaker I got. My brand new designer sneaker I got a couple of months ago. It's right here. Yes, sir. It's actually high beast type, like you feel me? Yeah, and it is what is so sleek. It's actually Gucci though. It's so sleek, it's so underrated. All right, before that, let's check the sneaker out. Alright, those were the bad boys right there. Before we go on with the unboxing, make sure you check out my Instagram page at Billsuccess. Make sure you follow me there. Fuck with all my flicks. If you think they are hard, comment on them. Alright, so let's get it with the unboxing. Okay. It came in a box like this. You know, I told you I had it like a couple of months ago. So obviously I opened it. What do you think it is? Look at that. What do you think it is? Gucci what? Leave a comment down below. Gucci what? Oh, designer shoes are always fancy. I know, right? Look at that. They are always fancy. Especially Gucci. I did a designer shoe and I was like, cause I didn't have any designer shoe in my collection. All my shoes were high beast style shit, like AJ's, like you feel me, like Nike shit. I was like, nah, but I should probably have a high beast designer shoe. But which of them? I considered Louis V, I considered McQueen's, but I felt like, okay, let me go for Gucci. This type of Gucci sneaker is so sleek, like it's so simple. I felt like, yeah, the color is so sleek. Like it's, you know, sometimes Gucci goes way too much on their shoes, like by putting on the Gucci symbols all over the shoe. But this type of shoe, this type of sneaker, they went so fucking hard on it. All right, so yeah, there's the box as I said earlier on. So yeah, let's quickly get into it. Okay, this is how it looks like. I know, right? There's a lot of things going on inside. Yes, sir. Okay, so this is it. Oh, it came with these, like the receipt. Get it, Gucci over there. Came with a receipt. Okay. Okay, it came with this too. Like, get it, feel me? It came with this too, like all the writings. Gucci. Okay, it says Gucci responsibility. Okay. Came with these two. Sizing or something? Yeah, sizing. Gucci. Oh, okay. This says Gucci made in Italy. That's hella heavy. Like, I'm not gonna cop though, it's heavy. Yes, sir. Gucci responsibility. Oh, it came with a pair of laces. Additional pair of laces. Yeah, sir. Gucci been going hard though. Oh, it came with a dust bag too. Okay, like no cup. Okay, like 2 dust bags. Okay, cool. I'm finna open these bad boys. What am I seeing? Okay, you wanna see this? What do you think? Wait, what do you think? First look, what do you think? This leak, huh? Let me get it off. Okay, look at that. Bro, this is so fire in my opinion. Look at that. You got Gucci on the back. Look at the stitching. Just look at it, stitching. And on the tongue of the shoe, it has Gucci. It has Gucci right here. Like, and the laces are so fire. They thick. Like you can see that now, bro. Like this is original. And you know what? Like Gucci was so hard on these to the extent that, bro, like even the insoles, bro, they went Gucci made in Italy. And even under it is like Gucci made in Italy again. With the stars. Look at that. You have stars. Bro, that's what, bro, like and they smell so fucking dope. Like they smell luxurious. Like I'm not gonna cop. Like I wish someone was here to actually smell it for y'all niggas. Like this, it smells luxurious. Like look at that. Okay, so this shit's super hard. Like the quality is nice. The leather is so dope. Like it's so soft. Like the color is an ivory color. Like creamy type of shit. Like you feel me? Yeah. So yeah, as I told you, I thought this was so fire. I thought this was so dope, and I needed a designer shoe, like you feel me, in the collection. And you know I feel like going simple all the freaking time. So I was like, okay, let me cop these. Yes sir. And they are worth a couple of bucks. I feel like, yeah, if you're on a budget, you shouldn't get it. Like I'll advise you not to get it if you're on a budget. Like you feel me? Especially if you're a college student. I mean, if you're a student and you're on a budget, I feel like you shouldn't get it. Look at that. Look at that Gucci at the button. Yeah, Gucci went hard on these. Like, what's this? Oh, okay. This is so fire. If you're on, again, if you are on a budget, you shouldn't cop these. You shouldn't cop these. Yes, sir. These are so fire. These are so insane. Yeah, again, let me know what you think about these sneakers in the comment section down below. If you fuck with these sneakers, give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to actually drip in these, if you want me to wear these and post it on the gram on Instagram, let me know in the comments down below. Tell me, yo Bill, wear these, drip in these for the Instagram, and I'm going to do that ASAP. Y'all know that I love you, like fam love. Yes sir. Y'all shouldn't forget to keep on subscribing. Y'all shouldn't forget to share this video. Yes sir, so that we can hit the number of subscribers we want, so that the giveaways will be yours. All right, so thanks for checking out this video. Yes sir. I feel like, yeah, I think I'm going to see y'all niggas in the next video. Thanks for checking out this video. I like y'all, no capital. Okay, so yeah, once again, it is your boy Billsuccess back. No, out with the guccirhytons. Yes, they are guccirhytons. Don't forget guccirhytons, like no cap. Yes sir. Yes sir. So yeah, see you in another, in the next video. All right, peace.